Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video is how to enter the service mode of Devant Smart TV. So as you can see, here is the remote of Smart Devant TV. So entering the menu, service mode, press the menu. This one, the menu. Next, scroll down, select the sound mode. Press OK. Next, scroll down again. Select the speakers. Press OK. Then scroll down. Select the balance. Under the balance, press 1969, entering the service mode. And then, as you can see, there is M on the upper left side. So meaning, it's a menu. Press the menu again in the remote control. And now, here is the program. Factory and design. So, let's scroll down. Here is the choices, the parameters and programs of the factory. Then, so ano pang gusto natin i-program under the factory? So we can program here. Let's say I will select the design. So let's program that under the design backlight. So program po natin ng backlight. Press OK. Then to yung choices ng backlight. So we can program to minimum backlight, 0 to high backlight. So let's say I program the minimum backlight, the 0. Press OK. So nakaprogram po yan sa 0, minimum backlight. Then how to exit. So here is the menu. So how to exit. Switch off. Press the power of the remote. And then switch on again. Let's wait for a while. So hintayin lang po natin mag-start up yung ating Smart Devant TV. And it's done. Thank you for watching.